Okay, this is again the induction Siemens oven, the DG, I think 675 or EG, I don't remember the first number, but I thought maybe to show how to take these boards out. I didn't do it, I am doing it first time with you now. So I think by looking, you know, it looked a little complicated how to take them out. So what I suggest to do is to leave the coil connected, not to touch with your, you know, those torque screws. And it looks like it is pretty easy to take it off. Let me try it now. What we can do is to disconnect this main power out. Yeah, you just pull it out, and we don't, there are also screws here. Now I see one screw here. Okay, so let's see if it is simple as I'm thinking. So you need to remove this screw out, and then I would take these two connectors off. Just pull it, and this one is going to the side, like just like this. Yeah, I don't know why it is catched, but a little difficult to take it out. This one on the I know, because you need to take it with a little angle to remove it. You have another one on this side of the board. Same method to take it with a little up. Basically you have a clips. You have a clip that you can push down, and then you can remove this plug. This one I'm not going to remove. And then I think that now you can take this board. You have a clips here. So you just need to push it, and then all the board probably, it's go up like just like this, very simple. And this all board go out like this. So pretty easy. And now you're able, you know, to go over all the soldering to see if you see an issue, or you want to maybe check it outside. So this board go out with the induction, everything out, pretty easy, just few plugs and it is all out. So same on the other side, and then you can do and check something. So that's all I want to show you. Thank you and bye.